Here's what my backyard currently looks like. This is right off of the master and kitchen area. And as you can see, it's a pretty big gray disaster. There's not really any appeal to this side of the house. And so in my mind, I really want to create a Moroccan-inspired oasis in a way that I can host dinner parties with my friends and family. And I've picked out a really nice, bold tile that I think is going to really transform the place. It's going to dress it up and make it look so much more beautiful and photographable. This is the tile that I picked out from AllModern. It's a 4-piece design, and since there has to be a little bit of space in between each piece of tile, I'm gonna go with a dark black grout for contrast. We're gonna lay this tile down the stairs, on the planters, on the entire platform, so I think it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Welcome back to the new and improved backyard. As you can see, we laid the tile, I have some outdoor furniture, and it's still a little bit of a work in progress, but it's so much better than what you saw in the before shot, so let me take you through. The tile made a huge difference in this space. Basically, we went with a darker grout since it was eventually gonna fade anyways. And then up here, we put the table and chairs, which adds a little bit of contrast to the space. I went with like a warmer wood and the white chairs just to kind of tie back into the tile. So looking this direction, this is what you see off of our master bedroom, and it's so much more peaceful and tranquil and inviting looking. I wanted to create a super Instagrammable space in my backyard, obviously to take pictures and selfies and shoe selfies, and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. I will make sure to link everything down below. The tile and the furniture are both from AllModern, so it's super easy and accessible to shop online, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.